homework, if you get to a spot where you need to multiply and you need to use your calculator, that's fine. Try not to though. Try and do a mental math. We're gonna really try and stretch our brains. Everybody get that one? Yeah. Okay. What about this one? 1% becomes what? 0.01 times 264. How many times did that move your decimal?
Twice.
Twice. Now it's what? 2.64. Fantastic. Good job. Okay. Go ahead and read the Under Armour question. Hannah has a coupon for 20% off her entire clothing purchase at Under Armour. Look at your page. Do you have 20% on here?
Yeah.
What is it?
1/5.
1/5. Okay, so I'm going to change it. 20%. Draw my little arrow down. You don't have to do that. However it works for you is fine. So I'm going to change it to 1/5 times, what was the total cost?
$110.
$110 over what?
1.
1. Good. Shortcut way for canceling. You know that 5 can go into here, right? Okay. Okay, so 5 can go into 11 how many times?
15.
Wait. No. 5 can go into 11 how many times?
Twice.
Twice, right? With 1 left over. See how I'm going to carry that little 1 right there so that looks like a 10? It's just a way to do dividing without having to rewrite the whole problem over here. How many times can 5 go into 10?
2.
2.
Another 2 times. So 1 times 22 is $22, right? Could you do it a different way?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Oh, I get it. I know what to do.
Yep. Instead of 1/5, what else could you have used?
2 tenths.
2 tenths. Why might 2 tenths have been a better choice?
Because it's smaller.
Even.
It's even. What's going to happen with your zeros?
They're just gonna.
Cancel
They're
out.
just going to cancel, and then what is 2 times 11?
22.
22. Try and recognize that. Try and see which numbers are going to work better together. All right? Did we still get the same thing?
Yes.
Yeah, it's fine. Why? Think mathy words.
Because they're equivalent.
Bam! Good job. They're equivalent. Good job.
She just has.
Ah, she does deserve a Jolly Rancher, right? All right, you guys do this one. Set it up. Maddie, you have red or green?
Red.
Okay.
I'll take green.
Oh, you would?
I'll take the basket.
You have this one set up? Come on.
Okay, cool.
But remember, I 6 more things.
Look at your page. Do you have one for 15%?
No.
No. So, no, that's not what it is. That's a decimal.
You just move it over 15 over 100.
I would do 15 over 100, yeah. Daryl, you said 1.5, it would be 0.15. 2 places.
Okay.
Yep. I'm going to do a fraction, though.
Okay.
15 over 100 times 750 over 1, right? Yeah? Okay, there's all kinds of reducing and canceling that can happen here. What's one thing you see?
750.
Can 100 go evenly into 750?
No, but it can
No.
go to 700.
Yeah, but can I cancel with my 0? I can at least cancel a 0, right? So that makes it a little easier. What about, now this is 10, right? What about 15 and 10?
No.
They can't reduce at all?
5.
5, right? So it's 15 divided by 5.
3.
So that becomes a 3, and this 10 now becomes a what?
2.
Okay, I'm going to rewrite this because it's getting kind of sloppy. So I have 3 over 2 times 75 over 1. You see anything else I can cancel?
75 divided by 3?
They're both on the same level, so can they cancel?
No.
No, they can only cancel if they're diagonal or top to bottom. So we just have to straight up multiply now. 3 times 75, you have 3 sets of 75 cents.
225.
225, do we all agree?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I have 2 75 cents, that's $1.50. We know that one, right? Add another 75 cents. She was right with her 225. On a problem like this, If you wanna check yourself to make sure that 3 times 75 actually is 225, you can use your calculator, that would be fine. It's 225 divided by 2.
107.
You see that shortcut way for dividing again? Okay, 2 can go into 2 how many times? Once. 2 can go into 2 once. 2 can go into 5 twice, right? With 1 left over.
25.
And as money, that would be $112 and
5 cents.
and what?
50 cents.
50 cents.
It's a half.
Half, yep. Because it goes back over the denominator. Don't forget that back 0. You guys know that drives me nuts. Okay, now we're to estimating. This is where we are really going to change our numbers to make them work well. So, do you know what 26% is as a fraction off the top of your head?
No.
What is 26 really close to though?
27.
25, right? Okay, so I'm going to draw my little line down and I'm saying, yep, I'm going to change this to 25%. Because 25% has a really easy fraction. What is it? 1/4. So let's use it. So now I have 1/4 times 64 over 1. Come on. Don't tell me the answer.
No, I was asking if 64 can be divided by 4.
Try it. It doesn't have the rule of 3 thing. You can do this mental math though. 4 can go into 6 how many times?
16.
Nope, 4 can go into 6.
4.
6.
Once.
Once, with how many left over? 2. Now 4 can go into 24.
6.
There you go. Yep. Could you have also divided them both by 2 first?
Yes.
Yep. So,
Oh.
26% of 64 is about what?
16.
So what should I have in front of my 16?
About time.
About signs, very good. Go on to the next one.
My about signs always look weird.
Yeah.
That's alright, they don't have to be perfect. Don't be tricked on this one. This says 2/3 of a percent. That's not even 1 whole percent, is it? No. If I change 2/3 to a decimal, you should know this one mental math.
66.
0.6
Repeat.
repeating percent. Again, that's still not even a whole number. Would that round up to a whole or down?
Right up to all.
Okay, so I could change this maybe to like 1%. Because we are estimating, it doesn't have to be exact, right? Okay? So 1% of means multiply, of 891, what did you do whenever we did 1% like that? Changed it to a what?
Decimal.
So this would be 0.01
0.01.
times 891.
And move the decimal.
2 places, very good, awesome. So, did we round again?
Yeah.
So this is about what?
130. Oh,
Eight-
about
891.
I was looking at
There
the
you
other
go.
one, sorry.
Maddie, what's up?
So if you do that for every one that's like a percent, will it still work?
Not all of them will round to like 1 or 10 or anything like that. You're gonna have to look at each and every one and decide, like, what is it gonna round to? On your homework, I have it marked for you where I want you to estimate and where I want you to use your fractions, okay?
Okay.
Alright, 39% is really close to what? 40%, so I'm gonna change that to 40%. And I know that 40 and 81 probably aren't gonna work well together, but 40 and what would? 80, good, so let's change that one to 80. Again, we're estimating, it's okay. What did I call numbers that work well together?
Equivalent.
No? Starts with C.
Congruent.
No?
Conversion.
Compatible, who said it? Good job. Oh wait, I guess I did have a green one. Would you rather have a green one? Okay. Alright, so compatible numbers, ones that work well together. 40% is what as a fraction? 4/10, sure. Now, why did I change this one to a fraction instead of a decimal?
Easier.
Because it's easier. Very good. And then times 80 over 1.
That's a lot easier.
10 goes into 88 times.
8 times? What's 4 times 8?
32.
Did you do
About.
some rounding on this?
Yes.
Yes. So about 32%. Okay, check out the next ones. We're almost done. $120% seems pretty easy to work with, right? Okay, so go ahead and make that into a fraction. What's it gonna be?
120 over 1,000.
Over, percents are always out of
100.
100, yep. Who's the number we're probably gonna change?
50.
51.
51 to a what?
50.
50, very good. And then make it 50 over 1, right?
50 is 100. 200.
Very good.
No.
Yeah, 2 times. Yep.
But we wouldn't be S.
You could also cross
I changed
cancel
the
120 and 2.
Very good. We can cancel up, right?
Mm-hmm.
2 can go into 120 how many times?
60.
60. Do I have to do anything else?
Did an extra step. That's okay.
30.
We canceled the 2 already. Whenever we did this 2 into 120. Oh, I rounded, so what should those be?
About signs.
About signs. About 60. You guys try the next one. Do you work with 92% every single day?
No.
No. What is that really close to?
90.
90. So I'm going to make that a fraction. What am I going to make it?
90 over 100.
I'm even going to go smaller.
You could do 90 over 10 too.
9 over 10. 90 over 100 would still get you the same answer. Because they are,
Equivalent.
yay, look at all these mathy words flying. And then 50 over 1. What can cancel?
50 over 10.
Yep, 10 can go into 50 how many times?
5.
5.
So what is 9 times 5?
45.
What did you do though?
About
Very good. About
45.
45. Fantastic. What's up? Go to the next one.
I was confused about the 120.
When you did the 120 to 60, how did you get that when you divided
Okay.
50 and 100 down?
120.
That was 2 divisions.
That's okay. Over 100. And then we changed that 51 to a 50, right? Okay. How many times can 50 go into 100? Twice. So now this is this, right? I can cancel up.
Oh, that's what you did?
Uh-huh.
I was
So
confused.
then 2 can go into 120.
I didn't see it going to go to 1.
Yep.
That makes more sense.
Sorry. You guys got the next two done?
No.
Come I probably would, yeah. 2 to what? Yeah. Okay, what did you change 63% to? 60. 60. Did you change 205?
to 200.
I would too. Very good, to 200. Those are a lot easier now, right? 60%? 6 over 10, would that work?
Yeah.
Could you also do 3 over 5?
Yeah.
That would work too. I'm going to do 66 over 10 because I see that 200 has zeros. These are really easy to cancel with, right? How many times can 10 go into 200?
You could just hit 20 to 5.
Yeah, we can just cancel a 0 off, right? So 20?
Yeah.
And then 6 times 20? 120, right? Because 6 times 2 is 12. So about 120. How about 75%?
It go, it's
80.
closest.
Wait,
Goes up to 80.
75% is an easy one though.
It works.
We like it. What is it as a fraction? 3/4, very good. Now, can 4 go into 84?
Yes.
It can. So you can leave it in 84 or we can round it to a what?
85.
But can 4 go into 85 nicely?
No.
No. So you could leave it at 84 or you could round it to an 80. You could round down. Totally fine because this is what? Estimating. So I'm going to leave it in 84. Four can go into 8 twice, right? Man. We're getting short. Okay. You You guys have your homework.
Only took you 25 minutes.
Okay,